everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This is a 442 Tribute. It's not a real car. Great car, though, guys. A really nicely done car. It's out of Florida. Good, solid, straight body. This is the original color combination. Bittersweet orange metallic, which is a gorgeous color. Then it's got the factory white, or it's actually an ivory color, that off-white look. But great car. They said it was a body-up restoration done about 10 years ago. Air blows cold, matching numbers 350 underneath the hood, and just a good car. Slick paint, like I say, drives out great, air blows nice and cold. You're gonna see there's a couple little touch-up marks, some things you can kind of nitpick, but like you can any of them. But this is nice. It's a nice car. Again, really pretty color combination. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Dash in there is nice. Really pretty color. And then, of course, like I said, it's got that ivory interior in it. There's a little stone peck in the glass there. I saw that. Pretty car. It's got the cutout for the rear bumper, and it's got the trumpet tips on it that the 442s had. Nice and straight down the sides, great stance. BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it with a set of Billet Specialty wheels. Really good looking car. Front disc brakes. That is tape on the stripes, so if you don't like it, you can pull the stripes off. Matching numbers 350, small block. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel. That's actually an Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. They just painted it engine color. Ceramic headers. It's got factory air. Like I said, the air blows cold. They put an HEI distributor in it. 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's got a little bit of a cam to it, nothing crazy. Pretty car, really pretty car. It's a remote mirror. Looks like it's got the original door handles. Car's only got 70,000 original miles on it. I don't know the number of miles on the rest though, but I'm sure it's not a ton, especially with the car only being done about 10 years ago. Jams are clean. Factory bucket seats, center console, sports steering wheel. Some little things you can pick in there. Headliner looks good. They definitely sent the dash out and had it redone. Gauges are nice. It's got the tic-toc-tach. The tack, I thought they said the tack was working and it's stuck. Yeah, it looks like it's stuck a little bit. I'll have Mike take a little bit look at that. Blower motor definitely worked. Couldn't get the radio to get anything. It seemed like it was getting power, but of course it's got the AM. It's got the AM radio with the 8-track, but I couldn't get that to function. H-pipe, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear axle, no big gear, nothing like that. Definitely something to cruise. Jack was spare. It's all spackle coated here in the trunk like it should be. Like I say, just really a good car. Clean underneath. Door seams are nice and clean. Pretty car. Wood grain in there looks good. Fires right up. I mean, this thing runs out and drives great. Air, they can kick the air on. Air blows ice cold. This runs sweet as can be. Yeah, it's not working. Gauges are all working, holding good old pressure. Little touch-up mark there in your door. Good sound. Backup lights work. I'd say just a good car. If I couldn't get it to come on, Nathan.
It's just very quiet, static.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it definitely powers up, but I don't know if it's, I don't know, and I don't know how to actually operate that thing. So, like I say, blower mower does work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us.